Are you trying to find a way to earn extra cash from home? What if something you already know could earn you money? We'll show you the top and safest side gigs in online tutoring in this video. These are flexible jobs that don't require a lot of setup. To find the ideal one for you, keep checking back. What you need. Let's quickly go over what you'll need to get started before we go over the list. You don't need much, which is good news. A stable internet connection and webcam. First and foremost, a reliable internet connection is essential. This is non-negotiable for smooth video calls without freezing or dropping. A webcam is also required. Students need to see you in order to feel connected, and the built-in camera on the majority of contemporary laptops is ideal for getting you started. Expertise in a subject, formal or informal. A fancy degree isn't always necessary. All you have to do is excel at something that people are interested in learning. This could be a language you speak well, a school subject like math, or even a pastime like graphic design or guitar playing. Whether you learned it in school or in life, your knowledge is valuable. A quiet, professional-looking space. Locate a peaceful area in your house. Make sure your background is neat and won't distract your student. A simple wall or a tidy bookcase are ideal. This helps your student concentrate on the lesson and gives you a more polished appearance. Patience and good communication skills. Keep in mind that you are a teacher. This calls for patience and attentive listening. It's acceptable if your student doesn't grasp something the first time. It's your responsibility to calmly and clearly explain things. The secret to their success is effective communication. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a real way to build a flexible income. You need to be consistent and treat this as one would any other job. Come to each lesson prepared and ready to help your student. The right professional mindset is the key to your success. First of all, let me share my top 5. For each, I'm going to share with you who it's for, what the vibe is, and how you can get paid. That way you can quickly identify one that would be an excellent match for your skills. Now, on to number 5. Number 5 is the creative and hobbyist platform. Number 5 is a great opportunity if you have a fun skill or hobby. You can teach anything on platforms like OutSchool or take lessons from art, music, and coding to cooking. You can develop small, fun group classes for kids or individual lessons for people of any age. It is a creative method of sharing your passion and being paid. Number 4 is the global conversation platform. Fourth in the list are global conversation platforms like Italki and Preply. These are just ideal for those who are native or fluent speakers of any language. Your main job will be to converse and help people practice their speaking skills in a relaxed, friendly setting. This is really a great opportunity to connect with people from everywhere around the world while sitting at home. Number 3 is the academic powerhouse. At number 3 is the academic powerhouse. Tutor.com or Check Tutors. If you're strong in those classic school subjects like math, science, or English, then this is for you. Students come here looking for homework help and to study for tests. It's a more formal and structured platform, perfect if you want to focus purely on academics. Number 2 is the kid-focused superstar. Our number 2 spot goes to the kid-focused superstar, VIP Kid. This platform teaches kids English online. You have to be energetic, playful, and great with kids. They provide lessons, so your prime task is to make learning fun and interactive through your screen. It is a very rewarding way to teach. Number 1 is my top pick for most people. Now, my number 1 pick for most people is a platform like Preply or Italki. It gets the top spot because it's so flexible. You can teach almost any language or subject, set your own schedule and your prices, making it the easiest place to start quickly and great for building up your own teaching business, step by step. Pro tips for success. Here are the most important tips for succeeding. Create a friendly and professional profile with a smiling photo. Be patient and consistent as it takes some time to get the first students, and always be prepared for your lessons. A little organization makes great reviews and a strong reputation. That is the most vital thing, your safety. Always use the video and messaging system built in on this platform. Never share with a student your personal phone number, email, or home address. Keeping all communications on the official platform protects you and them. There you go. Whatever your skill may be, there is something out there to begin sharing and earning from home. Your knowledge is worth something. Just take the first step. Sign up and start your journey of tutoring today. You can do this. If this helped you at all, give this video a like. It will really help out the channel. Let me know in the comments, what is the first subject you would teach? Don't forget to subscribe for more simple ways to earn money from home. Thanks for watching.